तो बच्चों, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं वर्कशीट नंबर 74 क्लास 10th और सब्जेक्ट है अपना इंग्लिश। और यहाँ पर नेम ऑफ स्टूडेंट की जगह आप रखोगे अपना नाम और नेम ऑफ क्लास टीचर की जगह आपके क्लास टीचर का नाम। और आज की डेट है 19 जनवरी 2021। तो अपना ये वर्कशीट जो है वो है चैप्टर 5 की, जिसका नाम है फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट। This is a story about a scientist named Griffin. With help of some rare chemicals to become invisible, though he could not be seen. He could be touched and felt physically. He accidentally stepped in mud and was first seen by two young men, who followed his footprint till it became faint. Griffin was a brilliant scientist, but he was a lawless person. He set fire to the house of his landlord and ran away after becoming invisible. To protect himself from cold of London, he entered a store of London where he found food and clothing. Next morning, the store assistant saw him and started chasing him. He quickly threw away all the clothes that he was wearing and became invisible. Again he became without any clothes and in the cold winters roamed around the street of London. Next he entered a shop and stole bandages for his face, dark glasses, false nose and a hat for covering himself. Eager to get away from crowded London, took a train to the village of Iping and rented a room in an inn. The village people found his weird appearance quite suspicious. Once his money was over, he stole money from a clergyman's house. In his abundance, the landlord and the landlady checked his room but were hit and chased by a chair. The strange happening in the village led people to suspect Griffin. Mr. Jeffers, the village constable, was called to arrest Griffin. Griffin removed all his clothes one by one and became invisible. In the end, Jeffers were knocked unconscious by the scientist. Finally, Griffin ran away invisibly. तो ये था पैराग्राफ और इस पे बेस्ड है कुछ क्वेश्चन जो हम करेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड ग्रिफिन ट्राई टू बिकम इनविजिबल। तो इसका आंसर है, द इनविजिबल मैन ग्रिफिन फर्स्ट बिकेम विजिबल आफ्टर ही स्लिप्ड इनटू ए बैग लंडन स्टोर फॉर कीपिंग वार्म एंड ओवरस्लेप्ट देयर व्हाइल वियरिंग सम क्लॉथ टेकन फ्रॉम द स्टोर. द क्लॉथ मेड हिम विजिबल टू द शॉप असिस्टेंट when the shop opened in the morning. To escape from them, he had to shed all his clothes to become invisible again. और next question है, why were the two boys in London surprised and fascinated. तो इसका आंसर है, the two boys in London were surprised and fascinated when they saw fresh muddy footprints of human being on the steps of a house, but no man was there were making them. As they looked, a fresh footprint appeared from nowhere. The boys followed fascinated until the footprint got disappeared. और थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, the landlord's wife was convinced that Griffin was an eccentric scientist. What made her thinking of Griffin in these terms. तो इसका आंसर है, Hall found the scientist eccentric because of his strange appearance and also when she tried to friendly with him. He rebuffed her by saying that he had to come there for solitude and did not wish to be disturbed in his work. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, how did Griffin finally escape. तो इसका आंसर होगा, he dressed up in shoes and overcoat and a wide-brimmed hat. He decided to spend the night at the store, but overslept in the morning. He was spotted by two store assistants who started chasing him. Griffin escaped from the London store by quickly taking off his newly found clothes and become invisible. The next question है brilliant scientist though he was Griffin was a lawless person. Quote examples from the text to prove this statement. तो इसका आंसर होगा Griffin was a lawless because he had committed many antisocial deeds for which he never felt guilty. He set fire to his landlord's house and ran away. He stole foodstuffs and clothes from London store, stole other goods from a theatrical company, and also stole money from a clergyman's house to pay his bills. So next question है 7th. Extraordinary affair. The clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. Explain this extraordinary affair. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा Clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day that it was an extraordinary affair. The other extraordinary things that happened at the inn was when the landlord and his wife were up early and were surprised to see the scientist's door wide open. So next question है Griffin has made a wonderful discovery, but he used it for unlawful means. Write a paragraph on the topic. Scientist is more misused than used. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा The modern world has created great scientist invention, but very often these inventions are more misused than used for the benefit of man. Griffin had made wonderful discovery, but he used it for unlawful means. Scientist is being more misused than used. The present time is highly dependent on science and technology. In the 21st century, survival without gadget and electronics is unimaginable. But there are various instances there where science is being misused to create panic and terror in the society. Scientific experiments on various deadly diseases are let out to cause man destruction. Technology is used more for warfare purpose to kill and to terrorize. The resulting product of science has been valuable to human society and have greatly raised the quality of life, but they have also led to the growth of means to destroy human society. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा Had you made the discovery made by Griffin, how would you have used it for betterment of humanity? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा Griffin is a brilliant scientist as he discovers how to make himself invisible, but he seems to enjoy the feeling of power which he gets out of his invisibility. The power to hurt anybody without getting noticed and can give sadistic pleasure to come to some people. और जो अपना लास्ट क्वेश्चन है वो है You don't understand who or what I am. What impression do you form of Griffin after reading the lesson? तो इसका आंसर होगा The impression that one gets after reading Footprint Without Feet about Griffin is that through that he was a brilliant scientist who made it possible for human body to be invisible. Yet one cannot consider him to be noble one because of his actions. तो इसी के साथ ही अपना वर्कशीट 74 कंप्लीट होता है. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. थैंक यू.